Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to add Gmail ID to your Facebook account. Watch till the end and do not forget like, share and subscribe. First of all, you open the Facebook app and then here you can see the side three-line option. So click on it. Then here you can see the settings and privacy option. So click on it. After click it, here you can see the settings option. So click on it. Then here you can see the personal details option. So click on it. Here you can see again personal details option. So click on it. Then here you can see the contact info option. So click on it. Here you can see the add new contact option. So click on it. Here you can see the second option, add email. So click on it. Then here you enter the email ID. Here you can see here enter your email ID. Then here you select this option. You click the next option. After click it, here you can see the here you enter the confirmation code. Then here you can see you are added your email to the account selected. Here you can see the email ID successfully added to this Facebook ID. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips.